Well, hey folks, trying to keep my word. Got the old 46 Dodge out for a cruise, and I was going to give you all a ride along. Me and Rick got that glass in, so just give you folks a little walk around of it here. We picked up a cool old water pump a minute ago. Got to use that for something.